Experience the perfect blend of power, precision, and bold flavor with the Nexgrill Gourmet Pro 5-burner gas grill, your ultimate partner for crafting unforgettable meals. Equipped with the innovative Griddle cooking system, the Gourmet Pro offers unmatched versatility. Grill, saute, griddle, and smoke restaurant-style dishes with ease, all in one powerful grill. Simply set the Griddle cooking system into place, press the electronic ignition, and unlock a world of new grilling possibilities. With up to 72,000 BTUs of grilling energy, this grill delivers the heat you need to sear, saute, and simmer to perfection. Under the hood, an expansive 714 square inches of total cooking space gives you all the room you need to fire up everyone's favorites. Porcelain cast iron cooking grids lock in heat and flavor, ensuring juicy results with a flawless sear. And an upper level warming rack keeps food hot and ready to serve. Beneath the cooking surface, angled flame tamers distribute heat evenly, prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings into smoky flavor. A built-in temperature gauge allows for precise temperature control, ensuring a perfect cook every time. To the right side of the firebox, a 12,000 BTU side burner allows you to prepare sauces and side dishes without stepping away from the grill, while oversized side shelves provide extra space for prep and storage. Equipped with 4 tool hooks, all your grilling essentials are always within arm's reach. Designed for flexibility, the Gourmet Pro comes ready for liquid propane, but can easily convert to natural gas with dual energy gas valves. Just follow the instructions in your owner's manual for a seamless setup. When it's time to clean up, a pull-out grease tray and grease cup keeps things simple. And 4 easy motion casters make it effortless to move the grill and free up patio space. Backed by a 10-year warranty on the main burners, the Gourmet Pro is designed for lasting performance, giving you confidence in every cookout. Turn every meal into a masterpiece with the Nexgrill Gourmet Pro 5-burner gas grill.